All right, let's mark 5 5/8. My cedar is 5 1/4. I'm going to give it a little room for expansion, and we're going to pop a line and get with it. Be sure to paint or stain the end of your boards when you put them up. That way, if it moves, you won't see any of the raw wood. If your groove is just a little too tight, the flapper wheel does the trick. I'm going to go ahead and use my narrow crown stapler and fasten it up there. I think the staples actually hold a little better in this application. Got out my old trusty compass, and if your can light, the center of it gets into the other board, just take a little scrap block, find the center, mark it, cut it out. That's that. Easy peasy. Shoot, look at that. Nice and tight. Tight like a tiger. Just give it a little tap-a-roo. Just beat it in there. Well, I mean, don't beat it in there too hard. It's your wood. You can beat it as hard as you want to. But I'm going to take mine and just lightly beat it. I'm going to go ahead and string the bottom of this header. That way we make it nice and straight. We don't want no crooked header. As you see here, I did have to fur the inside of the beam just a little bit to allow for my 6-inch post. GRK trim screws, gotta have them. I used a little cedar shim right here to fur down the inside of the header, just to give it a little reveal. Honestly, I think it looks a little better with the reveal. And then you level across and fasten the outside. Yes, sir, look at that header. We ready for some trim. Let's finish this thing off. Got them flapper wheel skills to pay them bills. You know what I mean. Got my 60 grit flapper wheel. Makes quick work of that with my little lathing strip right here on the outside. And I'll put up a 1x on the inside just to clean it up. Get some of that Sherwin-Williams stain. Putting it on there. Oh, Lord, Terry, look, we got the Simpson hardware right here. This is basically for a post to frame type of connection, but man, I was really impressed with it. Got my Spectra laser setting on the plumb bob setting. I'm going to jack up the header. We're going to grab the hilty, which makes super easy, quick work of some concrete. No competition for concrete. Get your blower, get all of that dust out of there. We don't want any compacted dust left in the bottom of the hole. Dang, son, look at that. Yep. You think it's a big bolt head. Negative, Ghost Riders. Man, these are washers. Look at that. Timber frame screw. You put it right through the middle of it. Dude, slick. Really great product. Super impressed with this, man. Great looking powder coat on it. Just all around great product. Man, this thing turned out fantastic. But there it is. There's my 1x6 tongue and groove Western rough sawn cedar porch ceiling. I mean, who wants regular vinyl soffit? Come on. Let's pep it up. Let's do some wood, man. Let's set this thing off nice and classy.